writing.
Ah, if it isn't J.R.R. Tolkien, the writer. Poppy, dear old friend of mine from Oxford. John.
Please, call me J.R.R. Tolkien, the writer.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Would I know anything you've written?
I doubt it. He's not had anything published.
Not yet, but I have spent the last 15 years coming up with an alphabet for orcs. Mousen your Fyrcan-born a frive, or Matafar avhe dorum ro ukaron.
It's a delightful language.
What do you keep writing in that little book of yours?
Ideas for my novel. I'm always listening out for inspiration.
Oh, darling, have you seen my cigar cutter?
In your trousers, my precious.
Wait, say that again?
In your trousers, my precious.
In your trousers.
Mr. Tolkien.
The writer.
Indeed. Pink.
I don't think we've met. J.R.R. Tolkien, the writer.
Oh, Bilbo Baggins.
What a wonderful name. Bilbo Baggins.
And this is the donkey on Fackham.
Well, I've written it down now.